Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase passive income with Instacart easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase passive income with Instacart, start by creating an account on the Instacart platform. Visit the Instacart website or download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, sign up using your email address and create a secure password. After logging in, explore the options available for earning income. Consider becoming an Instacart shopper, as this provides immediate earning potential. If you prefer a more passive approach, look into affiliate marketing opportunities with Instacart. Share your referral link through social media or personal networks. When someone signs up using your link, you earn a commission for each order they place. Review the commission structure on the Instacart affiliate program page for clarity on potential earnings. Next, utilize your social media platforms to promote your affiliate link. Create engaging content that showcases the benefits of using Instacart for grocery shopping. Consider writing blog posts, making videos, or hosting live sessions focused on budgeting or meal planning. Use these formats to naturally incorporate your Instacart referral link. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions about the service. To enhance your passive income, build an email list of potential customers interested in grocery delivery service. Send regular newsletters with helpful tips, recipes, and links to your affiliate link. Monitor the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts using tools provided by Instacart. Adjust your strategies based on what content resonates most with your audience. Consider teaming up with influencers or content creators for broader reach. You could offer to create content for them in exchange for promoting your referral link. Lastly, stay updated on any promotions or offers from Instacart to leverage in your marketing efforts. By consistently creating and sharing valuable content, you can grow your passive income with Instacart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.